at my company, everybody's got a process, or at least at my company, my boss has a process that they want us to follow. We've got a CRM that we've got to be updating. And for us, they believe in emails and sequencing. And I know I've heard you talk a lot about that on the courses. So I'm trying to appease that side while also following the process that I'm learning. And so I think I have part of it figured out as I'm starting, which is making that cold call. But then I'm also wanting to leave kind of a breadcrumb to show them that, yes, I'll also drop an email in there for them. So is that email the one that you talk about where it's like name, hard dash, mobile number?
Yeah, that email has a ton of success. The subject line is just your name and then your phone number, and then I put the word mobile.
And then secondly, how quickly, so let's say I cold call, don't get an answer, leave the hook, the voicemail. How long after should I schedule for that email to go out?
I send the email right as I'm leaving the voicemail.
Okay.
Because then they're getting it bang bang, and they're like, wow, this person's serious, right? Like I would rather fire all of my fireworks all at once. Like, and I have a way I can text them too. Like if I'm calling somebody, as I'm leaving, I wait. I have everything queued up and it's templatized. Okay, I cheat. I'm a cheater. But I have the email template ready to go in my CRM, and then my text thing is not connected to my CRM. It's separate. It's fine. It's on another window. And as I'm leaving, I wait for Derek, for example's voicemail to kick on. Once I know his voicemail kicks on, I know I'm leaving a voicemail, right? Because if we have the live conversation, I don't want him to get the email and the text. It's confusing. Yeah. As I'm leaving it, because I have time while I'm talking, I hit send on one, I hit send on the other. My thought process is, okay, if I shoot one bottle rocket up and then 2 hours later shoot another bottle rocket up and then 3 hours later throw out an M80, people are like, what was that? The thing blow, is it kids with the blah, blah. But if I fire, boom, 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 it's like, wow. You know, I'm going to go with the grand finality of the fireworks show because the likelihood that I might get Derek's attention if he gets all three of those at once is a lot higher than trying to trickle it, is what I found.
When you finish watching this, I'm going to get you the closing mini masterclass totally free. It's normally $300. I'll pay for it. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you there.